Get ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. The appellant, through his RTI application dated 21/12/2009, had sought the attested copies of evaluated answer sheets of various papers of Uttar Pradesh Higher Judicial Services Examination, 2009, which he had taken. Stop. The appellant had also sought the information regarding the marks obtained by one Mr. Indrapreet Singh Jose in the same examination. Stop para. The PIO, in his reply dated 18/1/2010, had refused to furnish the requested information on the ground that the RTI application of the appellant was not in accordance with the Rule 3, 4 and 20 within bracket 5th of the Allahabad High Court Right to Information Rules, 2006 within bracket herein after AHC RTI rules bracket close. Stop. The said rules are as follows: colon para. Each application shall be accompanied by cash or draft or pay order of rupees 500 drawn in favor of the Registrar General, High Court, Allahabad, or the district judge of the concerned district as the case might be. Stop. The Commission has carefully considered the submission of both the parties. Stop. The issue before the Commission is whether the copy of the evaluated answer sheet can be provided under the RTI Act, 2005 or not. Stop. In Sri Kesav Kaushal versus High Court of Punjab and Haryana, Chandigarh within bracket WB/A/2008/01415 bracket close, in the Commission has dealt with a similar question. Stop. In that case, the Commission, after taking into consideration its own full bench decision as well as the decisions of various high courts and the Honorable Supreme Court of India, had held that copies of evaluated answer sheets should be disclosed under RTI Act, 2005 in light of the decision of the Honorable Calcutta High Court in Pritam Rouge versus University of Calcutta within bracket AIR 2008 CAL 118 bracket close. Stop para. The Commission has also had the opportunity to look carefully into the AHC RTI rules and particularly rules 3, and 20 within bracket 5th of the said rules. Stop. In the Commission's opinion, some of these rules, on the face of it, are not in conformity with the RTI Act, 2005. Stop. Rule 3 provides that every application shall be made for one particular item of information only. Stop. However, there is no such requirement provided in the RTI Act, 2005. Stop para. Furthermore, the Commission is of the opinion that the present appeal involves issues which have already been decided earlier by the Commission. Stop. Hence, the Commission sees no reason to deviate from its earlier position. Stop. The CPIO, High Court of Allahabad, is hereby directed to provide the information sought by the appellant in para 1 to 6 of his RTI application. Stop. The information sought in para 6 of the application may be provided as the marks obtained by a candidate in a competitive examination cannot be treated as third party information. Stop. The information shall be furnished to the appellant within 10 working days from the receipt of this order. Stop para. Before concluding, the Commission would like to recommend the Honorable High Court of Allahabad under Section 25 within bracket 5 of the RTI Act, 2005 to revisit its Allahabad High Court within bracket Right to Information Rules, 2006 so as to bring them in conformity with the RTI Act, 2005. Stop para. With the above observations, the appeal is disposed of. Stop. Thank you.
क्या चाहिए बदले में हमें? बस एक प्यारा सा लाइक। तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार। सब्सक्राइब यार, सभी की मांगे मैं पूरी करता हूँ। मेरी एक ही तो मांग रहती है कि सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को, और जिन्होंने नहीं किया है कर दो यार, हाथ जोड़ के विनती है।